Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is September 17th, and today I'm gonna tell y'all how I won 16 bucks trading $16.50 trading the NASDAQ. So today traded London session again in London. If I didn't tell y'all before, if you didn't watch the last one, I basically said how trading the London session is the best time for me to trade, better than trading either PM session, morning New York session, or like Asian session. It's better for me since I have the most time to, and also I have the most time to like focus and work on like just being able to focus on the charts really and locking in on a good trade. And obviously I did that today. So I'll basically run out what I did. So first of all, we have this I was actually bullish on the day. I was bullish, but there was a lot of buy side liquidity right here waiting to be swept, right? Also these equal highs right here. But also, I was trying to just find a place where price might have like pull back and all that. And I found this imbalance right here. This is an imbalance. It's right here. I found this imbalance. Oh my gosh, I can't even. I found this imbalance right here where I think price would have stopped. If it didn't, it would probably stopped. It probably would have stopped at this high right here. Or here. Or here. But I just use that as like a prediction. So price obviously did stop at this imbalance. Almost at consequent encroachment, which is the midpoint of this fair value gap. So I was thinking, okay, we might be bearish, right? Price inverses this fair value gap right here. So this is an inversion, and then price goes back up into it, draws down, boom, low. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna try to get a short here. I'm gonna try to sell because I already had this previous part of price. This part right here has a lot of volume imbalances, has a huge fair value gap right here. Like I feel like price would go down and fill right here. So I was thinking, okay, what can I use to get a good entry or retracement, and then so I can get a good RR, risk to reward, and get a good trade. So I saw that I used this imbalance, or yeah, this inverted fair value gap as a retracement tool. I saw that price rejected it a few times, touched this, went down, touched. So then I entered and opt this. I put my buy stop like right here, or my limit order right here. Stop loss is above this fair value gap, and take profit was right here where the volume imbalance is. And let me tell you, this roller coaster was I wasn't emotional during this trade at all. I wasn't emotional, but there was times where I was like, my heart was beating when I saw price go extreme, like go right up here, and just completely just disrespected this right here. But I stayed strong. Honestly, I just waited for I just kept on waiting because even if price hit my stop loss, I knew it was going to go back down at one point. It's just if I got the entry right or not, which I did this time. But yeah, so I basically waited for that. Then price went down, touched, and it just fell. There was also relative equal lows down here that I marked just in case if price were to go down to them. Which price looks like it's going to target these. I'm not sure if it is, but gosh, what's it? Price locate. Well, price is actually about to hit these in the sell side of liquidity right here, but yeah, so I risked 1%, or I mean not 1%, but I risked one contract. Um, my RR was 1.5, which is pretty good. I try to aim for a 1.5 to 2 RR every time I take a trade, just so I can get my money's worth, and so I have my win rate will be higher if I have a lower RR, or it'll be usually higher if I'm taking good setups. It'll usually be higher than if I'm taking like 3 RRs every time, or an RR 3. That's a tongue twister. But yeah, when I tell you that this price, when price went up here, I got a little scared. Like I wasn't scared, but like I was like, dang, it's gonna. Because I feel like what I felt like what was gonna happen was like this fair value gap's really been respected the whole time. What I thought was gonna happen was price would wick out of it and then go back down. Like it wouldn't close above it, but it would wick up and take profit. But it didn't. So, um, yeah. Let's look at the let's just look at the breakdown. So today we would have, if I were to trade AM session or just New York session in general, there would be federal funds rate data and FOMC data, which affects the market a lot. It makes it move a ton. And then tomorrow there's unemployment claims. Friday nothing. So it's looking pretty good for the week. I'm gonna trade tomorrow for sure. Friday I'm gonna trade tomorrow on that day as well if I have a good setup, because you know Fridays are tough to trade on. But other than that, thank y'all for watching. Have a great and blessed day, and just keep living. See ya.